Hello, Hammond. Could you give us a quick introduction of 3D sorter?
Sure, Yo-Yo. Thank you. So 3D sorter is a crosswell sorter which can move into vertical direction also. So here we can have one zone of induction or two zones of inductions. One zone of induction can give us a throughput of 9,000 pieces per hour, and two zone of induction can give us a throughput of 18,000 pieces per hour. Here the main thing is that this carrier, it can move horizontally like a crosswell sorter, and it can move like this in vertical direction also, and it can cater to all these put to wall rack, and we can increase a lot of destinations here. So that's the main objective of 3D sorter.
Hammond, so as the head of India, could you share more information about KENGIC's presence in the country? For example, what kind of project or success have achieved in the country so far?
Sure, Yo-Yo. So we started our operation in India from 2018, and we have worked with almost all top e-commerce and express logistic companies in India, which are Flipkart, Amazon, Myntra, TCI Express, Expressbees, so Delivery. These are all top companies in India, and we have worked with them. We have a team of sales and after sales and consulting engineers in India, and we also have a spare part center where we can cater our customers flawlessly. Thank you.